Roblox scripting in 100 seconds. Want to build Roblox games but don't know where to start? Let's make it simple. Variable store data. Use local to keep your variables in scope and readable. Functions run blocks of code when called. Perfect for actions like collecting or upgrading. Tables store multiple values in one spot. Use them for rewards, shops, pets, you name it. Roblox's built-in tools are called services. Access them with get service. Detect when a player joins the game. Useful for setup, stats, and saves. Events trigger when something happens, like touching, clicking, or joining. If statements, check to see if a line of code is true and runs code only when it is. Leader stats show values on the leaderboard. Add coins, XP, and more. Remote events let local scripts talk to server scripts. They're essential for multiplayer logic. Now, let's talk script type. Module scripts store reusable code. They return functions or data and can be required in other scripts. Server scripts run on the server. Use them for logic, damage, saving data, and spawning. Local scripts run on the player's device. Use them for buttons, UI, and camera control. Almost every Roblox script follows the same pattern. Access services, define variables, write functions, connect events, or call your function. Follow this pattern and your scripts will stay clean and work great. That's Roblox scripting in 100 seconds. Like, subscribe, and drop a brain emoji in the comments if you learned something new.